Hey everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something super exciting and it is Iris. If you invest in stock market, trust me, Iris is going to make your life so much easier. So Iris is basically an AI chatbot built by Multibagg AI. But it's not like the usual chatbots you have seen so far. This one can answer anything, literally anything you throw at it. You can ask Iris questions about your portfolio, about your grow portfolio, about your kite portfolio without you having to do any MCP fluff. You can directly start asking questions. You can ask Iris to screen companies. I'll show you how. And it's way more advanced compared to any other AI screener in market. You can also ask Iris to pull out the important points, let's say from a Concall or investor presentation, without you having to upload anything, because Iris has access to millions of annual reports, investor presentations, conference calls, exchange filings, financial tables, almost everything you can imagine. So whenever you ask something, Iris will dig through all of that and find the best answer for you. Unlike other chatbots that will go to internet and try to find an answer for you, Iris will actually look into official company documents, exchange filings, and structured, updated live financial tables. So I think I have spoken enough. Now let's see Iris in action. Alright, let's ask Iris a few questions. Before asking, I'll give you a brief introduction to this interface. If you click on search, there is this toggle. If you click on search, you can search any company like you would, like ICICI Bank, Eternal, HDFC Bank, or ETFs, or any index, or IPO, or any particular page present on Multibagg AI platform. If you click on Ask Iris, here you can start asking questions. Now you will see there are a lot of default questions already present. These are no ordinary default questions. Iris understands me, understands my portfolio, understands my watch list and everything. And it has suggested me what questions I should be asking. Okay, but we won't ask these default questions. Let's ask a question about my portfolio. We can review my portfolio and provide a detailed analysis of my holdings, performance, red flags, sectoral exposure, benchmarking, diversification, all these things. Now let's hit enter and see Iris in action. Alright, so you see there is this response and it has holdings details of my portfolio. Then it has few red flags and risk indicators as well, like Cubex tubing is present in ESM list. There's KPI green energy as well, and it has high pledged promoter holdings. Then a little about sectoral diversification, then diversification numbers around how diversified my portfolio is. Then there's performance metrics as well. There's risk matrix that indicative of volatility relative to the market. My portfolio exhibits a slightly higher beta than this benchmark comparison. On the left hand side, you see news related to my portfolio, and there's forecast, there's matrix, the P, the PB, the beta, then this market cap allocation, and I have multiple portfolios connected. So here I can toggle as well. This was a question related to my portfolio, and you see how detailed the answer is. Now let's ask another question, and let's ask can you summarize the recent con call of Eternal with a special focus on management guidance and dark store expansion? I have intentionally asked a question about Eternal because everyone is aware of Zomato and what they are doing. Now let's see Iris in action. The sidebar that you see on left is customized based on the question you have asked. So because your question is about Eternal, you see the sidebar. All the documents of Eternal is present. There is all the investor presentations are present, all the conference call transcripts are present, all the annual reports are present, and you can do a bunch of other things here. You see the answer is very detailed. There's management guidance, there's information about dark store expansion and what strategic initiatives they are taking. And you go to sources, you see the answer is from Concall transcript of Q2 FY26, which is the recent most quarter. And that's the beauty of Iris. It doesn't go to internet directly. It first looks into the existing document set. Whatever is present, it looks into the official exchange filings and it gathers answer from there, which is the original source of truth. Let's ask another question. Let's say we ask what is happening around the data center expansion of this company, Anantraj. By the way, if you do @ and then type the company name, the answers will be more accurate, because then the AI basically knows the company you are speaking of. You can directly write Anantraj like this as well without referring it. Most likely AI will understand, but let's say if there's a small cap, micro cap company, I would suggest you reference it with @ Here I think we are good to go. So the question is, what is happening around the data center expansion of Anantraj? By the way, is a company which is real estate company and transitioning into data center capabilities. You see, correctly identified the company Anantraj, all the investor presentations, transcripts, reports, all these things. This is the answer. And by the way, if you look at the sources, you see, these are all official company documents, investor presentation, all the answer has been taken from different investor presentation. If you want to read the investor presentation, directly click it and open the PDF and you can start reading it. Now, I will show you the most powerful thing Iris can do it for you. You can screen companies by just typing your query in natural language. So let's say I want, can you list down companies with very high revenue growth in last 5 years in the consumer durable sector. Now you see what happens here. It is trying to find companies in this particular sector. Now yes, you have all the companies listed here. Okay, you look at the sources. Sources is our own DB. It doesn't pick random things from internet. It is the proprietary database from where it is getting the information. Now every AI screener that you see in market will stop here. Maximum they'll give you an option to download this table, but you see it takes it one step ahead. You can open this table in screener directly, and you see now you have power in your hands. You can do everything. You have all these companies. You have about 40 companies in the screener, high revenue growth consumer durables that you asked for. And now you can apply even more filters here. You can do whatever you want to. Let's say you want, okay, change one day में ये करना है, or you want कि 52 week high से इतना away होना चाहिए, इतना इधर होना चाहिए. You have a bunch of filters that you can apply here. So the AI screener takes it one step ahead, which is way more different than what any AI screener currently offers in market. So it's very powerful. There's something else which makes Iris 10x more powerful, and it is the fact that it's very customizable. What I mean is, when you click on the search bar, here you see use @ to tag company, something that I've already spoken about, or / for recipes. So recipes is a very powerful feature. You click on this /, you see what happens. There are pre-built prompts for you that you can use for your different tasks, like revenue growth drivers के लिए एक prompt है that you can use. Okay, then there is one for profit trend breakdown. There's one for quarterly results summary. अभी इसमें क्या करना है, बस info को change करके you write your own company name, the company that you are interested in. You see this future growth drivers, this rise check, there's so many things. And even better is you can create your own recipe. So let's say you want to create something, you have a very nice prompt and you don't want to type it always. बार बार यहाँ पे आप type नहीं करना चाहते हो. So you can save it. You can, let's say you click on create recipe. Let's say this is test prompt and you do something about my prompt. Okay. And next time you'll see this is your custom test prompt, which is here, and you can always use it. So it makes the capabilities of Iris even more powerful. This is not everything. You can ask questions about IPOs, you can ask questions about ETFs, you can ask questions like give me expense ratio of all silver ETFs in India. You can ask questions about indices, what's the weightage of Nifty 50, what's the weightage of, let's say, HDFC Bank in Bank Nifty. You can ask questions about a particular sector. You can ask everything, and that makes Iris really, really powerful. So you go to multibagg AI, log in and start asking questions to Iris and see what it can do for you.